You're opening it.
You're opening it. This is your video.
It's not my video.
This is your video.
No, it's not.
Well, I'll open the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. This is a little different video. I'm going to be working. Lindey's going to be telling you all what's going on, vlogging.
So I don't have to work?
This is her video. So
I don't have to work?
We're trying something new here. We're going to try to get her in front of the camera more. If you like that idea, smash the like button, drop in the comments, say more Lindey.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'm going to hand it over to her. I'm going to jump on the tractor, try to tilt the tiller a little bit more so it'll go a little deeper, and run over it a few more times, and we're going to try to start planting. You saw in the last video, I repaired the arm finally and did some more other stuff. The video was kind of just all over the place. Today we're going to try to get the garden done. I say
not done.
Done. We're going to get some potatoes planted and onions. Yeah,
we did a few earlier things yesterday. We did broccoli and cauliflower in the raised bed. So today we're going to do the potatoes and the onions, and then next month, no, not yet. Next month we'll do the okra and the squash and all that stuff.
So she'll take you guys, show you that, and I'm going to get to work. So here you guys go. Oh, crud.
The key.
The key.
The key. How else
Can you
go
go get us this?
Alright, we'll just show them the raised beds while we're waiting. So we've got the 3 raised beds. I feel like I'm talking to myself. That we need to repair because it's kind of falling apart. Both gotta screw that together. So we've got the cauliflower and the broccoli, and this one we have 4 of each. And then those 2 we're going to do tomatoes. And I think we're going to do the potatoes right here, right?
I don't know.
Long ways? We're going to go long ways.
I don't know.
But my plan is the back side, and along the side I want to do tall sunflowers.
I don't want to know if we can plant grapes since Layla's not here.
No, we are going to do a strawberry patch though. But I want to do some big sunflowers on the very edge over there.
There's a big bee behind you.
I know, I can feel it buzzing. And then
land on you.
We're going to do some corn and watermelon and cantaloupe and squash and cucumbers and okra.
Y'all remember what happened last time?
I want to see another dance.
They tried to kill me.
Alright, Bo just got this all tilled up for us. Nice, dark brown. Looks good. Good job, babe.
Hey,
I tilled up my own little pile.
Alright, we're going to make our rows for our potatoes, and I'll give you a sneak peek of what we're going to be planting here.
Hey, Hunt, come here, buddy.
I tilled up my own area.
We got a sack full here.
I'm going to say about 18.
Had a whole bag full. And then I had some in my pantry after that were starting to sprout, so I had Holly go grab those out of the pantry in case we needed more.
That's what I was worried about.
Daddy, do you want me?
Yeah, buddy, I'm gonna need you.
I'm gonna set this camera up right here.
There we go. Pull it tight.
Oh.
There we go. Keep.
So to go down to the back, and I use this to chop off the big pieces. That I would do this.
Doesn't it need to be deeper than that?
No, that'll be good, I think. We'll pile dirt on it. And when he gets down there, you can move that one and he'll move that one. He can come back up this way. We'll get it done real quick. I can't because there ain't no roots on the other end. Golly.
No, Hunter, no, stop. Stop, Hunter. We're
I think
making our own
that'll
road.
get the row, won't it?
What are you doing in there, Grandma?
That'll get the row, won't it?
Yeah.
How far apart?
Can't plant.
12 to 18 inches.
And I'm not packing. I'm not looking at that.
Oh, about 12 inches on the...
All right, next row.
It's not straight.
This is a
Keep going.
worm.
Keep going.
I found a worm.
It's better, but
This is
that's really not far enough apart.
What's down? Come on, Hunter. Put it in this. Come on, hold on yet. Let me make it big.
The,
Make this really long.
Can we start them way back here?
Yeah.
This, you know why? Can I help?
Yeah, totally.
Yay. I'm gonna help with, if you need anything
Can
to
I come
go
in?
deep
Yeah.
down. Okay. Mama, I'll make the other
No, we
rows.
planted right here, so don't step over here.
Okay,
You can, yeah, you can go on that side.
I'm gonna make
These,
an
when you get these, this part goes face down.
about here.
Oh, you can scoot over just a bit.
Mama, I'm gonna make another row with this. I'm just gonna hit down. Mama, can I walk? Mama, can I walk through here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make another hole.
It's squishy.
Not right here or right here. You can move.
Hey, no.
No,
Just use the corner of it.
no.
There we go.
Let's test. Feel for me.
Go that way.
Looks like an April shower.
Point it up like it's raining.
Up in the air.
There we go.
Hold it down. Don't let go of it. Right. Well, we were watering in the garden and I heard someone screaming. He woke up from his nap. So hi everybody. Hi. So we'll go show you guys what's happening over there now. Grandma's still watering in a little bit. But we got the broccoli and the cauliflower in. We've got 3.5 rows of potatoes. And then just, I think only got a half a row of onions in. So, not too bad for an hour's work while baby was napping. So I don't get a lot done when he's awake because he's very clingy right now. I don't know what's going on. I think he's teething. He's 9 months and he still doesn't have any teeth. So I know he's teething. So when he's up, he just wants me to hold him, and I've set him down, he cries. So I do everything one-handed. So if he's taking a nap, I try to get as much done as possible. That's my only time to get anything done. So, oh, you're a little stick tight, aren't you? So I'll flip this around and show you what's going on. It's supposed to be warm, really warm the next 2 days, like close to 80, and then in 3 days we're supposed to get a good rain, so that'll help. And we put some fertilizer on it also. So we're hoping this year will be better, because last year was a major fail. Alright, I think we're pretty much done with the garden for today. So we need to go feed our goats and our chickens because they have been being very talkative, ready for their food. So, yeah, you're probably wondering where Bo is. He went to the neighbors to till up his garden. So it's just me and this guy. And I cannot find my baby wearing thing. It'd be much easier if I just stick them on me. But I cannot find it anywhere. And I paid a lot of money for it. I don't know. I lose stuff all the time. So he's just going to go in the stroller. So we're going to try to do this one-handed with the stroller carrying the buckets of feed. I may get Holly to help me. So here we go. I got my helper back. She was playing basketball, but she came running, so I recruited her. Hey, you can keep going around that side. That's up to you. It's whatever.
Well, I don't know how I'm supposed to go.
Okay. All right. We'll do the goats first, so they'll get out of our way. So. My eyes. He's in there.
I started looking at his hands. He's like, ah!
All right, come on, girlies. Let's go. Let's go. How do I, Mister? Over here first. Hi, baby. Hey. You guys ready for some dinner? Flip that over. Okay. Eating out of the bucket. You guys have to be patient.
Go, go, go. No, go, go.
No. It's doing like this.
Return to more. Then pour another.
Alright, come on, two of you. Come on. Yeah. Get in there. Get in there, Lucy. Here we go. Fat girls.
Look.
You guys ready for some? How about you, Puff Daddies? The Puff Daddies. Good job, Huddy. You helping Mama? You helping Mama? Good job. Oh my gosh.
Come at me, bro.
Can you get the door for me?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Ha! Missed me.
Hey, you almost hit me. How'd that feel? Yeah, he's helping with the chores today.
I don't think Patty can go in there.
No, you guys can just stay out here and watch.
You do it with one hand what I was trying to do.
Here you go.
I was down on my knees.
I was just telling them I'm a pro at one hand because I have Huddy in one arm and I have one hand, so I'm a pro at one-handed things. One-handed chicken wrangler.
That's Chicoletta.
She's pretty friendly.
Yeah.
They're pretty special.
Yep.
See Chicoletta?
Well, as she said, the battery's running super low. It's flashing at us. It may die before we do this. But if you guys like this video, if you like Lindey kind of running the show, trying to get her on this channel more, so tell her, get on the channel more, girl.
Alright, so you gotta tell me like what kinds of things you guys like to see. Like what do you want me to video?
Yeah.
Because I'm off all summer. I don't have a job in the summertime, so he wants me to help more, so so I need to
Fill the
some
comment
ideas.
section with some ideas.
Like gardening, cooking. What house stuff, whatever.
Yeah, so
Just stuff on the farm, it's whatever.
we're going to close out this video before the camera dies. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button. You haven't subscribed to our channel at More at Homestead.
Like and subscribe.
And ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye. So God bless. See you guys later. God bless.